What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. It's a hot Florida day, as you can tell by the fact I'm already sweating. And in this video, we're gonna take this knife that I previously made and broke the tang off of, and we're gonna make a new knife out of it. Here we do not throw anything away. We're gonna remake it into something else, something smaller, so that we can use it and sell it. Since it's already been grinded and beveled and cleaned up and everything, all I'm gonna do is do all the work on the grinder and keep it cool. That way I don't affect the temper, and we're gonna make a new knife out of it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get a new little template. This is a 6-inch knife template that I use to make some knives sometimes whenever I want to do stock removals, and I don't have a marker, and now I do. Now I got a marker, and we're just gonna take it. Because I used to file, the original knife was supposed to be a little bit wider, but since I used to file, it turned out a little bit smaller. That's why I'm not removing that much of the width on this knife. What I'm mainly removing is going to be on the length of it. So drop it straight down here, bring it up, around. And this tang, I'm going to leave it thicker, so I don't have the same mistake again. That tang thicker, and I'll just go around and quick trace on this side, and voila, we'll make a smaller knife. Make sure I leave the tang nice and thick, and whenever I put it into whenever I make a full tang, whenever I do the hidden tang, it'll be plenty strong. That way it don't snap again. Alright guys, let's get to grinding. Alright guys, before I start grinding, tell you a little something. I'm gonna be grinding this with a 36 belt. It's used, but it's gonna be a 36 grip belt. That way it doesn't heat up the knife as much. If I use a finer belt, since it's having more contact with it, it'll heat it up a lot more, and I want to heat it up the least amount as possible. We don't damage the hardened edge. Alright guys, we're going to use this piece of walnut for our handle. Alright guys, we have the handle already fitted to it. Fits like a glove. used to really like to do everything just with machines, but as of lately I've realized that doing file work like this really lets you get more control of what you're doing. On the last knife I made, I could have made it sharper had I filed in all these little small details, and instead of trying to do everything by machine and getting it done faster. There's that special little touch that, you know, making things by hand gives it as well. I mean, it's a beautiful craft, and it's fun. It's a fun thing to do. It's a fun thing to do. It's always great to learn new things. Always great to stay learning. Hopefully in the near future, once I get more skilled and I grow more, I can travel and meet some great bladesmiths and learn from them as well. I hear the bladesmith community is a really tight-knit, great community. I don't know, I don't really know if there's any bladesmiths around here. We tried searching, or would like to meet Steve Schwartzer and work with him on some projects. And he's based out of Florida too, so it's only a couple hours drive, no biggie. But hopefully we can set that up in the future. That'd be nice. That's why you should like and subscribe. That way I can grow channel faster, and I can get some people to collab with. So be sure to like and subscribe, and it really helps out the channel a lot, and it really helps support me in this endeavor. Oh, and I really appreciate it a lot. Back to our regular scheduled programming of just filing. That's music. Guys, so here we got the knife. Handles on, nice and secure. Dry it up. And I'm gonna sharpen it up and do a paper test. We want to strop it enough times to completely get rid of that burr and leave just very thin fine edge. Ideally, and she cuts. Alright guys, so that's the end of this build. It was nice and quick. All we had to do was fix the mistake we had already made. I had already made, I don't know what I'm saying I had already made. But as you can see, it turned into a very nice little 6-inch chef's knife. Came out nice. And now this guy right here has a brother, a little brother. We got the brother, and it came out okay. As you can see, we don't make mistakes, we make happy accidents. Alright guys, so if you learned anything or just found entertainment in any of this, please be sure to drop down a like. I'd greatly appreciate it. It really helps with the algorithm and it helps grow the channel out tremendously. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.